How to log out of voice on all devices. So if you notice any suspicious activity on your voice account, then you can log out of your voice account across all devices and browsers. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your voice account from all devices, how you can log out from everywhere. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, log into your voice account using your email and password. Once you're logged into your voice account, click on your profile at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now under settings, click on privacy and security. Now here at the bottom of the list, you can find a logout everywhere option. And here you can log out of your voice account from everywhere. So here click on logout everywhere. And here you can read instantly protect yourself from scams, a stolen device or suspicious activity. This will log out of all devices include this one, and also it will freeze all physical and digital cards, and also it will cancel any pending transactions. And after you have activated this, you will receive an email with the step to recover your account securely. So that's how you're gonna log out everywhere from your voice account. Now you have to log out of your voice account on all devices and browsers. Here click on logout everywhere. And there it is. As you can see, I have been successfully logged out of my voice account from this device as well as all the devices and browsers I had been logged in. And voice will send me an email for doing this. So let me check the email. And here it is. This is the mail I received from voice. You have now logged out everywhere. So you have blocked your account, card and any outgoing transfers. And there under it, we have recover account option. So once you received this email, now here you can recover your account. You have to just click on recover account and you can easily recover your voice account. And that's it for this video. If you just want to watch a separate video, if you want to recover your voice account, then watch this video and I will see you there.